Alright guys, we are at the car show. Pretty Mustang right there.
Did you get a picture of you frying your truck or not?
All these cool cars. And there's an F-150 XLT. And there's our 96 Eddie Bauer. But I wanted to take you guys around and let you see. I think the coolest, I don't know if you can see the eyes over there? Yeah, that's a 1926. I'm gonna surprise a friend of mine, guys. Hey, Mary. Say hey, you're on YouTube.
Oh no.
Do y'all have an entry?
No. Are we supposed to?
No, we do.
Oh.
Yeah, that white truck over there.
Oh, I saw
Yeah.
you were working on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll come around and look at that.
Oh yeah. It's been a work in progress, but he's really proud of it.
Right.
So.
We'll come out. We're making our way around. I gotta
Okay.
some dipping on.
Ah.
Thank you.
Okay. As a church friend, guys. Man, look at this. Oh, he got a 3 1-barrels on this thing. Jerry's Speed Shop. Oh, look at that, guys. He's got his white letters painted yellow to match the truck. I like that. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. I'll be doing another one of these in a little bit.